Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night whenever you're joining us for this video. So these are the instructions on how I want you to complete assignment 1.2 on the lecture and the examen. So the first assignment is just a title slide, and there will be a video if you need to watch this whole instruction thing right on this title slide. Then on the first slide, what you'll see here in the upper right hand corner is a video of me giving you a lecture on the examen, and then in each of these three boxes you should respond to the prompts. Then moving on to slide number 3, you're going to slides 3 through 6. You're going to actually do the examen. Sorry, 3 through 7. So, Examen Step 1. The first thing I want you to do, I've given you a quote by Michael Hansen in this yellow box. I want you to rewrite the quote into your own words. Then I want you to do the two things we've done while making an examen. Number 1, make a list of 10 people who have helped you throughout the day, and 2, make a list of the 7 things that have allowed you to be alive today. Then we're going to move on to step 2, where we ask for light from the Holy Spirit. So you should ask for, so I want you to, I've given you an explanation and a prayer. I want you to write your own prayer on how you would ask for light for the Holy Spirit. Remember what we've been doing in class on the examen, about asking God for what we need and how we interact with things in order to better understand where God is working in our lives. Then we're moving on to step 3. This is one way of reviewing your day. So I want you to answer these 5 questions, and if you click on the box, you can see you'll be able to type. And then then we move on to step 4 on slide number 6, and this is where I want you to pretend you are writing a dialogue with Jesus, right? Once we go through our day, we want to reflect on it and ask, and because God's trying to reveal something to us, and we want to have a conversation about that. We need to take time to listen to God to see how God is calling us and working in our life. Then on slide 7, the last thing you're going to do is step 5, where you look ahead. So I want you to make a list of the things that you will need from God as you look forward to tomorrow, informed by your examen. And again, you click on the box, and they are right here. Now, you'll notice in each of the in many of the slides, there is a little video here. You can click on that video, and it will jump to this particular slide in case you need a refresher on how to do the lessons. I hope this was helpful.